let's take a look at the timetable. This, my friends, is very, very, very important. How you're managing your 24 hours. This is a sample. This is my version of a timetable that I'll suggest to you. If you want, you can use your own timetable. आपको जैसे जैसे you feel इतना टाइम मुझे देना है इस टॉपिक पे या फिर इस चीज में, प्लीज डू इट, बट मेक अ टाइम टेबल, स्टिक टू इट. चेंज नहीं करना है टाइम टेबल. साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन है ये कि इफ यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग द सेम टाइम टेबल every day, your brain will get adapted to it and it will optimize its performance. इंक्रीज कर देता है आउटपुट उस टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से. Let's take a look at Saturday and Sunday first, because this is very important, friends. This is the only time that the school goers will have to prepare for NEET. This is the only time 24 hours are available to you completely. Studying 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. It varies. If you are a night, if you can survive the night, you can stay awake. It's amazing. 2 से 7 पढ़ाई कीजिए. It's very important. You have 5 hours of solid untouched time. आप इसमें बायोलॉजी के पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, because biology takes a lot of time, my friends. There are 90 questions. Those questions don't just come out of thin air. You have to prepare a lot. Especially I'll say botany, because I'm sure botany may everybody feels ki it's a bit too boring, bit too lengthy, but you have to prepare for it very well, because botany से बहुत सारे conceptual questions आएंगे, especially from genetics. Theory timing again from 9 to 5. You're getting a lot of time. You have to divide it into chunks. ऐसा करना है कि there should be divisions. 9 to 11, suppose you will study physics or you will study chemistry, and then you take a break for half an hour. 2 hours of solid study will give you a lot of output. बहुत सारा output आ जाता है 2 hours के अंदर. और फिर एक half an hour का break लेना है when your brain de-stresses. Now, an important thing is, few days ago, I got a question on Instagram from a student. Ki, sir, in the break time that I am taking, can I relax using again that Netflix or you texting? Again, I told that student, please do not waste that time. Use it for recall. Recall is very important. आपने 2 घंटा suppose आपने study किया biological classification या फिर living world. Sit down and revise that. Make some handwritten notes using arrows. Yes, these are the topics I studied. Point number 1, point number 2. You make a note through half an hour. It does not take much of your stress, and it will help you calm down, focus, and become more confident. I have studied this topic. I have studied this topic very well. And then you can split the time for your mock tests or for your practice sessions, where you will practice on the OMR from your coaching or suggestion module. आप लोगे suppose 45 questions of physics on the topic electromagnetism. Don't overshoot your time. 45 minutes के लिए you have a maximum of 50 minutes of time to complete those 45 questions and fill the OMR on the paper. So practice in the same way में practice कीजिए घर पे, so that on the final day you're able to manage that time. 180 minutes बहुत बहुत precious है. So make sure you're using it very well. Dinner time, it can vary for you, but try to have your dinner within 8 to 9. It's a very healthy time for your digestive system. बहुत अच्छा, it helps the body. So 8 to 9 is a good time to have your dinner, and then you can get some sleep. Do not waste any time on the breaks. Take a lot of matlab, a very proper amount of sleep. 9 to 2 a.m. or 10 to 3 is a very solid amount of sleep. You will need it, trust me, because बहुत सारा पढ़ना है and brain has to be rested properly.
That what should be the combination of physics, chemistry, and biology marks? Point number 1. And what were your marks in all 3 subjects?
Okay, the marks is very important, and I will suggest, based on the 600 marks that you will have to attain this year to get a qualification, a 140 to 150 marks in physics is very good. I'll say if you're scoring above 130 also, selection के chances अच्छे हैं. In chemistry, see, there is no particular marks I can tell you कि आपको 145 लाना है या फिर 150 या 135. That will not be fair. क्योंकि किसी का physics strong है तो किसी का bio strong है. I'll tell you a range. 130 to 1 above is good for physics. Try to keep it above 140 because that will ensure your selection. For chemistry, try to ensure ki you get above 150. That's very important actually. uh, I know it's very difficult. I will say again, getting so many questions correct is obviously difficult, but I'm sure you can do it if you follow your routines, if you follow your mock tests and get your weakness analyzed. It is possible. And for biology, I'll talk out of 300. So out of 300, try to score above 330. It is very, very essential you get that marks out of 330. Out of 300, you get 330 or 340. क्योंकि तभी आपका सिलेक्शन एकदम इंश्योर्ड होगा, पक्का होगा कि हाँ मेरा सिलेक्शन इस ईयर भाई होने वाला है. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So
Okay.
let's take a look at the Monday to Friday timetable for the school going students. Because if you're not going to school, if you can take some time off from school, उतना pressure नहीं है school का, फिर you can utilize all the days of the week very properly. अगर ऐसा है तो use the 2 days of the weekend for mock test. 3 घंटा निकाल के रखो कि हाँ मेरे को mock test के लिए बैठना है. I have to sit for it. I have to analyze. 3 hours for mock tests and 2 hours for establishing your weakness and strong points, analyzing each question. Let's come to the topic about school goers. If you're going to school, I know, from 5 o'clock in the morning to about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you'll be busy. You'll be going to school. School karna bhi hai. I have only one suggestion. Try to be a good student in class also because it's important, and try to ask teachers permission कि अगर वो class में नहीं पढ़ा रहे कोई topic or you have done the topic already, ask their permission कि sir, I'm preparing for NEET exam, can I please do my own study? Use your coaching material or use your suggestion booklets or use your mock test, do anything in that time, optimize your performance. स्कूल से ये परमिशन अगर चाहिए तो ले लो कि सर मेरे को पढ़ना है इस टाइम में, अपना खुद का पढ़ाई. You come back home, take a break up to 2, up to 3, and then you start your preparation again. Break करके preparation लेना है. 3 to 5 you do your biology or you solve a few questions of chemistry and then again take a half an hour break, again to 2 hours of solid study. ऐसे करना है काम. बहुत सारा, there will be a lot of work, बहुत सारा काम है. You have to make out time for each of that. And please do not forget to, do not skip your sleeping hours. उससे optimization, उससे efficiency decrease हो जाता है. Don't think कि I'll sacrifice sleep, I'm going to study all day. You will forget. The entire, process, the journey will seem hectic and it will seem, you'll be dissatisfied with the entire thing. एकदम hatred आ जाता है. So don't skip sleep. Try to get good sleep. अगर कोई भी point में you feel I am sleep deprived, take some sleep. Get your bed out and take some sleep for 2 hours, for 3 hours, and get back to studying. Baki काम, baki, extracurricular activities, you can take your time off that from now for 2 years, for 3 years, take your time off that and prepare. Because once you get into college, बहुत सारा time मिलता है ये सब करने के लिए. These 3 years are very, very essential. Last 15 days, there is no special, requirement कि ये सब कुछ करना है last 15 days or 1 week में. Only one thing, you have to attempt a lot of mock tests. जितना भी आप attempt कर सकते हो एक दिन में, attempt it. But after each mock test, keep 2 hours to 1.5 hours for yourself where you will analyze your mistakes. सिर्फ टेस्ट देने से और एनालाइज नहीं करने से you will not get good result. तब रिजल्ट खराब होगा, आपका मोटिवेशन लेवल डाउन होगा, विच वी डू नॉट वांट. आप टेस्ट दोगे, आप टेस्ट के बाद टाइम लोगे जब आप एनालाइज करोगे कि हाँ, आउट ऑफ ऑल दीज 180 क्वेश्चंस, दिस इज व्हाट आई डिड, दिस इज वेयर आई मेड मिस्टेक्स, एंड ये मिस्टेक मेरे को नहीं करने हैं. Make a copy where you write down your doubts and the questions which you did not attempt or were incorrect, and उनको सीखने की कोशिश करो. Get it very well done so that you do not face any problem. And there's no need to panic also. Okay, because if you panic again, as I'm telling you, motivation will decrease and you will not be able to get a good result. अपने माइंड को बहुत काम, बहुत फोकस रखना है इन 2 साल, because only with a calm focused mind can you attempt and can you clear this NEET exam.